Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk windscreen wiper motor used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. It is first important to remove the windscreen frame and the windscreen wiper. Before removing the wiper arm, use a piece of adhesive tape to keep a precise mark on its end of stroke position so that you can position it correctly when reassembling. Remove the nut cover from the wiper blade arm and, using a socket wrench and a 12mm socket, loosen the nut. Remove the wiper arm by making slight movements up and down. If it doesn't come easily, we recommend using a car wiper arm puller to make the task a little easier. Remove the side covers. To remove the frame, unclip the locking tabs and lift the windscreen frame. You can also use a flathead screwdriver for leverage. Remove the hose for the windscreen washing liquid. Then remove the frame. Using a pry bar, unclip the clips holding the power harness. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 wiper blade motor retaining screws. Then remove it.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Disconnect the connector by pressing the tab and pulling on it. You will find the bolt parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new motor. Reconnect the windscreen wiper motor. Put it back in its slot. Then screw the screws back in. Put the fasteners in place. If it has fallen off during disassembly, put the plastic cover back in place. Reinstall both rivets. Put the windscreen bay back in place. Reconnect the hose for the windscreen washing liquid. Replace the side covers. Refit the wiper arm without using too much force when tightening. Then put the cover back on the nut. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.